In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create and verify your Bitget account. Yes, I'm not just going to be showing you guys how to sign up for the account. I'm going to walk you through step by step through the verification process till the approval of the KYC and everything that you need to know. So watch this video to the end so that you can be able to create and verify your Bitget account and avoid mistakes. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. So this video is going to be in 3 steps: downloading of the app, the sign up, and the KYC. First thing for us to do is to go to Play Store. Once you're on Play Store, then you search for Bitget. On the search bar, you search for Bitget. You can see the app. You can see that it's already installed on my phone. Hold on, let me show you guys. You can see the app here. You can see that it's already installed on my phone. It's showing open. So I'm just going to open the app now. I'm just going to open the app. So it says welcome to Bitget, trade on Bitget. So I'm just going to click on continue. So you can see here it says get started. So I'm just going to click on the get started. So here we are going to enter our mobile number and password. Yes, or you can use your email. If you look up here, you're going to see email as well. You can see email and you can see phone number, but I'm going to be using my phone number for this. So I'm just going to enter my phone number now. And if you're not in Nigeria, you can always click on this drop down here, because it already shows my country for me because I'm in Nigeria. But if you're not in Nigeria, just click here and you choose your country code. So if you're not in Nigeria, just click there and change to your country. So now I'm going to enter my mobile number. The next thing is for us to enter our password. Please, while creating a password on any platform, make sure to use a strong password. Use a password that contains a lowercase, an uppercase, signs and symbols, and make sure that the password is at least 8 characters long. And also make sure that it's something that you always remember so that you won't forget your password. So I'm just going to enter my password and then we continue. Okay, you can see the rules that they gave us: 8 to 32 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one number, at least one symbol. So I'm just going to create a password that matches their characters, and also while creating yours, also do the same. So I'm just going to enter my password and we continue. So I've entered my password, and if you look, you see that the password I entered matched all their characters. So do well to do yours as well. The next thing is referral code. It is optional, but I'm going to be leaving my referral code at the screen or in the description box, so make sure to use it. If you have a referral code, just click here. I think that they are going to give you a bonus for using the referral code, and they're also going to be giving me uh a referral bonus as well for me referring you. So I'll be leaving my referral code at the screen or in the description box. So if you want to enter your referral code, just click here, this place now. You can see the referral code. You paste the referral code here for you to get the bonus. So but if you don't have a referral code, it's optional. So we're just going to click on tick this box here. I've read everything, just tick this box and we continue. then you click on create account. So guys, here they are trying to verify that we are humans and not robots. So it says select in order, you can see. So I'm just going to do it to verify that I'm a human being. So this and this, and we click on OK. Verification successful. So it says you're almost there. Enter the 6-digit verification code that was sent to your mobile number. It's valid for 10 minutes. So they're going to send me a verification code to my phone. Okay, they have sent it. So I'm just going to enter the code now and we continue. 0860803. 0860803. So they are verifying it now. Click on submit. So it says fingerprint unlock. I'm just going to enable it and enter my fingerprint. We can also do it later, but let's continue. So we have just completed the the 2 steps. First, downloading of the app. Second is creating the account. So it says to ensure you get market order notification, blah blah blah. So the last step is to verify our account, which is KYC, know your customers. So get your documents ready: driver's license, national ID, international passports, anyone you have, voter's card. Let's do the verification. So I'm not going to click on verify now. Says level 1, identity verification. Verification requirements: government issued documents, face recognition verification, estimated review time 60 minutes. So let's verify our accounts. So click on verify. Allow. Allow. Here it says select ID type. Also you can see my country, Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, you can always click on the drop down to change to your country, but it's going to choose your country based on your location. Then issuing country, that is the country that your ID is issued in. So I'm just going to select Nigeria as well. You can see different countries. Scroll down. Okay, Nigeria. Then here, this last column is for us to select the ID type. So I'm just going to select the ID type. You can see the one that they gave, BVN/NIN. That is your national identity number. So I'm using my NIN for this. Then we click on continue. It says I'm in residence or living. Just tick the first option and you click on continue. Verify your identity. It only takes 2 minutes. Okay. Complete your data verification. Take a selfie. Click on continue. So now I'm going to enter. You can see the first column is my country, and the second column you select the document you are using. I'm using national ID. So and the last column, which is this, I'm going to enter my ID number, that is my NIN number. So I'm just going to do that now. I'm just going to enter it now, and we continue. So I've entered it, and we click on continue. So now we are going to, I'm taking a selfie of my face. They said position your face to fit the frame. So I'm just doing that now. Look straight into the frame. It says face scan is complete. So it says identity verification under review. You have completed level 1 identity verification. We will review it as soon as possible. So they're just going to review the verification. So I'm just going to click on confirm. So I'm just going to wait for them to approve the account, and we continue with the video. And I'm also going to check how long it took for them to complete the verification. So let's wait and see the outcome. So guys, after an hour, I opened the Bitget app, and as you can see up here, you can see that my account has been successfully verified. If you follow this step, your account is also going to be verified. You can look up here, you can see that it is verified. So this is how simple and easy it is for you to sign up for Bitget and verify your account. And by the way, if you got value from this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. See you guys on my next video. Bye.